When I have seen that my plant leaves they are cutted in a shape and they are eaten by someone. So then I found so many sundia on my plant. First I became too much worried. Then I have decided to cut these eaten leaves. So first of all I cut all the eaten leaves. Then I have cut that branch where I found so many sundia and they were eating my plants. I cut them and then I put them in the basket. But it was a very difficult decision for me to decide that what I should do with them, because I really don't like to kill them by hand. It's very cruel. So what I did, I put them into the basket and then I went to my tigers. You can see my tigers are in the cage. They were very hungry, and when I put them like sundia in front of them, they just finished them within minutes. So here you can see my tigers and the condition of the situation of the sundias, what they have done with the sundias. Now next step, I have taken rid of, I just get rid of these sundias. Now what should I do with my plant if next time they should not my plant should not face the same condition? So I put one DDT on them. This is a very like you can say not good for the fruits, vegetables, but my plant is without fruit, without vegetables. So I just put this pesticides on my plant, and then I think after that I will not face the same situation.